Look at this. Check this out. Fall off the bone ribs in less than an hour. I'm now gonna show you how to make an instant pot ribs. You're gonna put a cup of apple juice in with your rack. As you can see, the ribs are tucked in like that. Pour in your apple juice. Then you take secure your cover. Don't forget to put this on seal. Manual for 35 minutes. So now that I let it now that I let it naturally release for 15 minutes after the 35, I'm gonna do the pressure release. Oh, it already did it. Whew. Look at this. I'm gonna hit it with some seasoning. Don't forget to preheat your oven. Hit it on broil. Season the other side. Stick it in there for about 5 minutes on each side. So yeah, I wouldn't suggest 5 minutes on each side. Probably like 4, and then keep an eye on it. Skin gets nice and crispy. And now I'm gonna put on Sweet Baby Ray's hot, honey hot and sour marinade. Nice and crispy. Now I'm gonna cut up the ribs. Look at fall off the bone. Ooh, shit. Ooh, fall off the bone. Look at this. Check this out. fall off the bone ribs in less than an hour.